Today we are going to see how PLC came into an existence, or what its history and why we use PLC. So evolution of automation, where PLC is a part of automation. First we were having manual controls, then we were moved to hardware, then electronics, and finally PLC. In manual control system, you can see here a man standing controlling the temperature of shower via controlling the hot water valve line. That is, if the temperature or desired temperature of its filling it's not fulfilled, it will open or close the hot water line. If the temperature is to be increased, then hot water line should be valve should be open wide or wider. This is known as manual control system, where a man is manually controlling the valve. Then hardware control. There's nothing but such means collection of dry contacts. Utility logic was used to design complex interfaces. These systems were very poorly documented and nearly impossible to maintain or extend this type of systems. So we move to the electronic control, where simple logic gates or like OR gate here. OR gate is used to light up this bulb. These are the simple logic gates are used for controlling different types of loads. Then we finally move to the PLC control here, where manual man is replaced by a temperature controller, where man is sensing the temperature here, but here a temperature controller known as maybe RTD or thermocouple is used to sense this temperature of the water, and this water temperature is controlled by the temperature controller via use PLC, and on of this valve on of or means opening 10%, 30%, 40% depends on the control part. So here no risk of man's life if some catastrophic means some damage occur. So here is the risk of life is less, where here is more. Then why we use PLC? The controller, that is PLC controller, is designed in a modular form, that is it can be modified, means inputs and outputs cards can be replaced or increased or decreased, means so the sub assemblies, that is input and output card, can be removed easily or replaced or repaired. PLC can work in harsh extreme condition. Had we had known that in last video we had seen that PLC can withstand with the high temperature of and with low temperature of the industry's environment, where other systems such as microcontroller cannot. The system becomes reusable. How they can be shifted or can be put into another systems or process systems. The method used to program the controller is simple, so that it can be easily understood by plant personnel. Thank you.